Yo, what up? This is Jake. This is my 2009 Easter battery bike that I'm riding right now. Set up to the front. Got some Odyssey Iron Wash grips, a little twisted. Doesn't really matter. I don't use bar ends. There's no point. I got these Tektro brakes. Came with the bike. Kink Lynx bars. Got them off Dance Comp. Really good. If you're ever thinking of getting good bars, get these. I ride front brakes. For me, it's just fun. Head down to my stem. I got Shadow Strike FL stem, really good. Cane Creek headset came with the bike. Gyro. I don't know, just like it that way. Don't like regular brakes. We got Shadow Little One pegs. Just got them. Pretty good. Not so good at grinding though. I mean, I'm not so good at grinding. You might be fooled. It does say Odyssey on my fork, but it is not an Odyssey fork. It is just the stock fork that came with the Eastern. So don't be fooled. This is my HL23 Ram with, I guess, just regular spokes. I don't even know what the hub is. Came with the bike. Thinking to get a new one though. If we head to the sprocket, I got Salt 25 tooth sprocket, 9.2 driver in the back. I ride nitrous cranks. Not a lot of people do that, but I don't know, I like them. I got these Eastern CFRP pedals, or CRFP. I don't really know, they're plastic. They're good for riding. Don't really have much, I think my spikes are flat, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. This chain I just got for like $10, $7. Snap my old chain. Don't really ride half-link chains like everyone else. Doesn't really matter. Come up to my seat. I got an Arcade Slim pivotal seat. I got a nitrous stump post. I mean, the post doesn't really matter, but got another Shadow peg. This Eastern hub. Not really loud. I'll show you how it sounds later. I got in the back. I have a Primo, the wall tire. In the front, I got Animal GLH. Rides really good. And here you can listen to my hub. I'm Jacob, and this is my 2009 Eastern battery.